So why if me get a lawyer? When can reduce the charges?
No, reduce the sentence.
Reduce the sentence and drop.
A few moments later.
Action.
So what if me get a lawyer? So him can either reduce the charges or remember.
Wrong, let you get home.
Will he be charged for all of the things that I hear Mr. Savage charging for?
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
Kidnapping was never a part of way King used to do in a Miss Jane. But this was to prove a point. And
Off the records.
Got it! Got it!
Action.
That sounds serious then, brother.
Wrong.
Action.
Never know you're forward. So normally me tell you if you're forward and me see you.
And again. Action.
Well, adjust.
So vicious. I you not tell who Marsha is to you.
Something alright?
Action.
I can't talk to you outside.
Yeah, man. Alright, no. Finally.
Nope. No, sir.
Don't worry. Make a difference. Action.
Really?
So what take care?
So what take care of him?
Action.
So, this is what? Go on again.
Wrong.
Fine.
Action.
They said to go start because
Me now make him come.
Something alright, yeah.
Prove it to yourself. Action.
Yo, pan a big man thing still, you know.
No.
You're mad up up on big man thing, bad man.
Action. Cut.
Okay.
Action.
Well, you're right.
No. Nope.
School, man. Come give me a hug. Hug me nice, eh? Tell me so. How has work been so far?
work.
Action. What's his life?
Me not lie, I'm gonna get the start.
Okay.
Action.
No. I could change the subject and talk about something different.
God have mercy upon us.
And me are the one we have finished it. I see. I'm sorry, man.
Action.
Especially this there.
Right.
Something alright?
Yep. No, that's why.
Yep.
Wrong. Let you get home.
Action.
So the deal is 15 guests per group.
Something alright, yeah.
Action.
Excuse me? I don't need you to tell me. Oh, no.
Get the line again.
12 seconds later.
Action.
Excuse me? I will choose who I associate my. Bomba, whatever.
Hey, what happened?
Fatality.